Hello guys, my name is Arash. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data to Deploy. If you are writing long form posts on your website or especially on Ghost content management system, you are probably find that readers will get lost after starting reading your blog. Today I want to show you how you can add table of content using Tocbot library to improve your website navigation. As you can see here, for example, right now my blog doesn't have any table of content which user could click on the each headings and move to that part. Most people don't read the full tutorials. They just scan top to bottom and want to jump specifically to that heading where they need the answer of their question on that part. Without navigation, post feels really heavy. The solution is a table of contents which is generated automatically from your headings with Tocbot library which reads your blog full content, find the headings and create anchor links for each of your heading tags. For example, as you can see here, this heading machine learning in finance is H2 tag, and for example when we scroll down here, the real use cases in algorithmic trading is the H2 tag, but these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are H3 tag. So with a good structure, we can navigate our blogs very clearly, and the readers uh, get very better satisfaction when they read your blog. What I added, first I added Tocbot CSS and JavaScript inside the Ghost theme. How do I did that? First, you need to download your Ghost theme from your Ghost panel. You can navigate to your Ghost panel. As you can see, this is my Ghost panel where my blogs are. I click on the settings, go to theme, click on change theme, and here as you can see install theme, and you can see which theme is activated on your Ghost. So for example here for me is Casper. I download it by clicking on this three dot and download. After the file downloaded, we open our source code on our ID. For example, I use a VSCode, and after that we should edit some codes. After our file been downloaded, we open our VSCode, and here we click on open folder. We navigate to where our file have been downloaded and open our file. So here we can easily see our folder structure, and here easily we can choose which files we need to edit to add it a table of content on our website. First, we need to add some lines of code in our default.hps. This is a default file which will be used across all your pages on your Ghost website. So what we need to do, we should copy paste this line of code inside our default file. As you can see guys, I wrote the blog on my website Data to Deploy. I will put this blog link in the description. You can read it and paste this code on your own files. I copy this, and inside default.hps we should paste this code right before ghost dash head. Here, as you can see, in our default.hps ghost-head, we paste this code and save our file. Next, we can add a style to our file to have a better view in our site. We can copy this file and paste it below this line of code we added before. We need to move this. It's important your lines of code are in the right arrangement. We copy this and we scroll down, and here, as you can see, next part is to add another line of code in our default.hps right before ghost-food. We copy this line of code, scroll down, we find this ghost-food, we add this file here, save our file, and the next part is to create a table of content container on our post, because we want to have table of content especially on our blog post, not on other pages. You may add lots of pages on your website, but you want to specifically your blog post have the table of content. So we should add this line of code in our post.hps, where, let me find it, before the content. Here we find content, and before that we paste this code. And the last part is to initialize Tocbot on our Ghost website. We should copy this line of code, this script, after our Tocbot JS in our default HPS. Here on default HPS, in the previous section, we add this line of code, Tocbot JS, and we paste this script below that. And we save this file, and this is the end. We add everything needed to have table of content on our website. And the next step is to go to your Ghost panel and click on change theme and upload your theme file again. We have modified it, and we again change the file to zip, and we need to paste it here. We go to where our file exists, and for example here we paste it. Because my file is same, I have done it before, it gave me error, said you cannot again import the existing file. But when you do it and in your install theme you found your new theme, and you simply just click on activate, and after that when you browse your website you can see all of your content have table of contents. It's very good. This simple step is really important for your blog, for your future traffic, future SEO on your blog post. I highly recommend you to add these to your blog post. Thank you guys. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any question. Bye.